the ultimate guide to RV-friendly festivals across the country. Embarking on an RV adventure combines the thrill of exploration with the comfort of having your home on wheels with you wherever you roam. But what if you could elevate that experience by timing your travels with some of the most RV-friendly festivals across the country? Imagine days filled with lively music, local flavors, unique cultures, and nights under the stars in the company of fellow travelers and festival goers. This ultimate guide will navigate you through a curated list of must-visit festivals that welcome RV enthusiasts with open arms, promising unforgettable experiences and stories to tell for years to come. 1. The Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, New Mexico. Every October, the sky over Albuquerque becomes a kaleidoscope of colors as hundreds of hot air balloons take flight. This festival is not just a visual spectacle, it offers interactive experiences like balloon rides and nighttime balloon glows. The event is incredibly RV-friendly, offering several parking areas for RVs, making it easy to enjoy the festivities right from your doorstep. RV tip: book your RV spot early, as spaces fill up quickly for this popular event. Opt for a spot without hookups to be closer to the launch field and heart of the festival. 2. Burning Man, Nevada. While not for everyone, Burning Man creates a temporary metropolis dedicated to community, art, self-expression, and self-reliance in the Nevada desert. RVs are a common sight here, providing a comfortable retreat from the harsh desert environment. Remember, self-sufficiency is key at Burning Man, so come prepared. RV tip: protect your RV from the pervasive dust by sealing windows and vents. Bring ample water and supplies, as you'll be off the grid in the truest sense. 3. Florida Strawberry Festival, Plant City, Florida. Celebrating the strawberry harvest, this festival in March combines agricultural exhibits with big-name concerts, rides, and delicious strawberry-themed foods. The festival grounds offer RV camping, making it a perfect stop for those exploring the Sunshine State. RV tip: the festival's RV park offers full hookups, but spots can be booked up well in advance, so plan ahead to secure your place. 4. Quartzsite Sports, Vacation and RV Show, Arizona. Held every January, this event is a haven for RV enthusiasts, showcasing a vast array of RVs, camping gear, and accessories. It's also a great opportunity to meet fellow RVers, attend seminars, and enjoy the mild Arizona winter. RV tip: boondocking is popular in Quartzsite, with plenty of BLM land available for free or low-cost camping. Arrive early to find a good spot, as the town fills up quickly for the show. 5. The National Cherry Festival, Traverse City, Michigan. In early July, Traverse City celebrates its cherry harvest with parades, air shows, concerts, and cherry-picking opportunities. RVers can enjoy the festival atmosphere and explore the scenic beauty of Michigan's Lake Michigan coast. RV tip: several campgrounds around Traverse City cater to RVs. Book a spot at a campground with shuttle service to the festival for convenience. 6. Telluride Bluegrass Festival, Colorado. Nestled in the stunning San Juan Mountains, this June festival features 4 days of folk, jazz, and bluegrass music. The festival offers an RV camping area within walking distance of the main venue, allowing for a comfortable base amidst the mountain air. RV tip: spaces in the Telluride Town Park campground for RVs are limited and awarded by lottery, so enter early and have a backup plan in case you don't secure a spot. 7. Oregon Shakespeare Festival, Ashland, Oregon. For those who enjoy the performing arts, this festival runs from March to October and features a mix of Shakespearean and contemporary theater performances. Ashland offers several RV parks, making it easy to enjoy the festival and the surrounding Rogue Valley. RV tip: extend your stay to explore the nearby natural attractions, including Crater Lake National Park, which is just a short drive away and offers RV-friendly camping. 8. Austin City Limits Music Festival, Texas. Spanning 2 weekends in October, this festival in Zilker Park offers a diverse lineup of music genres. While the festival itself doesn't provide RV accommodations, several nearby campgrounds do, allowing for a comfortable festival experience in the live music capital of the world. RV tip: opt for a campground with public transport options to the festival to avoid the hassle of parking in downtown Austin. Festival going tips for the ultimate RV experience: book early. Many festivals offer limited RV spots, and these can sell out quickly, especially for popular events. Booking well in advance ensures you won't miss out. Prepare for boondocking. Even if a festival offers RV hookups, spaces with these amenities may be limited. Be prepared to boondock, ensuring your water tanks are full and your batteries charged. Respect festival etiquette. Be mindful of noise levels, especially in the evenings, and keep your site clean. Festivals are communal experiences, and courtesy goes a long way. Stay informed. ***, keep an eye on festival updates and RV-specific information. Knowing the ins and outs of RV policies for each festival can enhance your experience and prevent any surprises. Celebrate your way across the country, combining the freedom of RVing with the joy of festival going off as a unique way to experience the rich tapestry of American culture, nature, and community. From the desert expanse of Nevada to the lush landscapes of Michigan, each festival is a doorway to new experiences, friendships, and memories. So, pack up your RV, chart a course for adventure, and immerse yourself in the diverse festivals that this great country has to offer. Here's to the open road, the rhythm of music, the taste of local delicacies, and the spirit of celebration that unites us all.